asked you to also do a solver that would determine what would be the entertainment and travel um, numbers given these set of constraints that I have right here, which is total region budget is 775,000, which means total expenses for each one of the regions is equal to 775,000. And you may ask why? Why are we setting it to that? Because a lot of times departments or branches have a set budget and they want to really deplete all of the budget because they understand that spending, for example, on advertising or entertainment will help increase sales. So they want to make sure that they have depleted all of the expenses because otherwise it goes to the like the company pool. So you have that, you have a minimum travel budget, you want to use at least 83,000, and you have a minimum entertainment budget that is 95,000. And then your total budget for all branches should be 3,100,000. So that's your objective really, and it says in the problem that that's your objective. So I'm gonna go under solver and said my objective is that the total expenses is value of, and it is value of that 3 million. You have to actually type it, won't allow you to put a cell reference. By changing cells, we want to change entertainment and travel, and we want to add a set of constraints. The constraints are that all the expenses for each region should be equal to 775,000. And then the second is that the travel budget should be 83,000. So again, these minimum meaning greater than or equal. And then entertainment budget, again, you are highlighting these, should be greater than or equal to the 95,000. And the last one is that your total budget, and that's I7, should be equal to the 3,100,000. So you want to set your total expenses equal to 3,100,000, and you want to okay, once we have set the parameters, we have set total expenses as the objective equal to having value of 3,100,000, changing these cells and setting these constraints, then we are ready to solve. And when we solve, you see that it put all of the constraints that you said. You wanted total expenses to be equal to 775. You want total budget to be 3,100,000. You want entertainment to be at least 95,000. You want the travel to be at least 83,000. So it satisfied all of the constraints that you set for it. Your last